Stress describes the way we perceive and react to certain challenging or threatening events and situations called stressors. It is less the actual situation that creates stress, but the way we react to it. Walter Cannon confirmed that stressful situations cause the body to release stress hormones that provoke a fight or flight response. According to Canadian scientist Hans Sale, there is a very general response to stress for most people known as General Adaptation Syndrome, or GAS. In a stressful situation, there are 3 stages of reaction. In the first stage, your sympathetic nervous system makes you alarmed. Your heart rate rises and you feel faint. In phase 2, your body resists by keeping your body temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate very high, and you release a lot of hormones. Phase 3 is exhaustion, which weakens the immune system and can cause illness or collapse. Stress can be caused by many things. Sometimes it can be the way we react to everyday challenges like a tough math test or an argument with a friend. Stress can also be caused by catastrophic events like a natural
I
disaster.
get stressed sometimes before big tests, and then I get tired, and it's hard to focus, and it makes the test even harder.
So I guess I get stressed out at school when I get bombarded with a lot of assignments, and then I also have to worry about like keeping grades up as well as like playing sports and all kinds of other extracurricular activities on top of that.
Stress can be physically dangerous. General stress problems include a lack of energy, trouble sleeping, and withdrawal from society.
Physically, stress affects me by making me really tired, and then I can get really grumpy too. Like when I'm really stressed, I get like really short-tempered with people, and I get annoyed really, really fast. So not only like by affecting me physically in those ways, it affects my relationships with other people and my performance at school.
There are also more serious consequences. Stress can make people more vulnerable to heart diseases because of increased blood pressure. People under substantial stress can sometimes have psychophysiological illnesses such as hypertension and headaches. It has been proven that people under stress heal much more slowly and are more susceptible to catching viruses. This makes sense because the body is expending energy dealing with the fight or flight response and dedicating less energy to the immune system. Stress is a real part of life and can be detrimental physically and emotionally. It is necessary for people to learn to minimize their stress load and deal with it effectively.